If you want to use a shower in an Anywhere campus campervan, first turn on the main control panel above the fridge. Press the water pump. Then turn your heating or hot water system dial to the correct option. Then wait for 10 to 15 minutes for the water pump to warm up. All the options you'll need to know will be explained at the end of this video. And make sure you've locked the doors for when you're driving. This water temperature icon can either be set at 40 degrees Celsius Eco or 60 degrees Celsius Hot. This heating and hot water system has two dials. Set the outer dial to either 40 or 60 degrees for the temperature of the water.